Picture this scenario. You have a crucial phone line, and you can't afford to miss any important calls, no matter when they come in. That's where our mission begins. Today, we're introducing you to Incoming Ring All. This feature lets you assign a phone number to up to 8 users, ensuring that when an essential call arrives, it rings on all their devices simultaneously. The objective: maximize your response time and ensure not a single call goes unanswered. But how does it work? When an incoming call is routed to this number, it gets distributed to all 8 users connected, whether they're using the web app or mobile app. The user who picks up first takes the call, ensuring that no opportunity slips through the cracks. Let's dive into the mission and equip you with this powerful tool. Our mission control is in the Phone Numbers tab. Locate the number and click Edit Configuration. In the configuration settings, activate Ring Incoming Call to all users. Add up to 8 users to this number. When an essential call comes in, it will ring on all their devices simultaneously. Hit Save. Here's the next crucial step in mastering this feature. Within the My Staff tab, navigate to a user's settings, click Edit, and explore the Call and Voicemail settings section. Here, you can choose to forward calls to web app or forward calls to mobile app. Note that if you select both options, the call will be routed exclusively to the web app for now. As a bonus, you can forward calls to a specific number, ensuring every call finds a responsive receiver. For this, go to Phone Numbers tab. Locate the number and click Edit Configuration. Insert the forward call number in the field Forward Calls to. Now, it's time to put this feature to the test. As one of the users assigned to the Ring All feature, we should be receiving a call any minute now. And there it is. Our team is now receiving simultaneous calls.